Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to get the iOS 26 developer beta on your iPhone. Apple has released the first iOS 26 beta to developers, but even non-developers have the opportunity to download beta software updates on their iPhones for free. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, you should check is your iPhone compatible with iOS 26. iOS 26 is compatible with the iPhone 11 series and newer. So should you install iOS 26 developer beta? Before downloading the update, it's worth noting that Apple does not recommend installing iOS 26 beta update on your main iPhone. So if you have a secondary device, use that. This is beta software, which means there are often bugs and issues that pop up that can prevent software from working properly or cause other problems. Apple undoubtedly has plenty of fixes to make before the final release. First, make an archived backup of your device. Before installing the beta, make sure to backup your iOS device before installing the software. Simply plug your iPhone into your Mac using the supplied cable. Allow the accessory to connect by clicking Allow in the dialog prompt. Open a Finder window by clicking the Finder icon in the dock and click your iOS device name in the sidebar. If this is the first time connecting your device to your Mac, click Trust in the Finder window. Tap Trust on your device when prompted and then enter your passcode to confirm. In the General tab, click the circle next to where it says backup all the data on your iPad or to this Mac. If you want to encrypt the backup, check the box next to encrypt local backup, then enter a password to protect your data. If you don't want to create an encrypted backup, you have already set up encrypted backups, click Backup Now. When the backup is finished, you can find the date and time the last backup in the General tab just above the Manage Backup button. Remember that this backup will not be overwritten when you manually or automatically backup your iPhone in the future, so you can restore it anytime by using the Restore Backup option in the same Finder screen. So now I'm going to tell you how to download iOS 26 developer betas. Open Safari on your iPhone and visit developer.apple.com. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the page and then choose Account. Under Sign in to Apple Developer, enter and submit your Apple account credential using the arrow buttons. Next, tap the top left menu icon again and choose Account. Accept the legal terms of the Apple Developer Agreement by scrolling down the page, checking the box and tapping I agree. You will then buy directly to the payment screen, but you can quit out of your browser from here. You don't need to pay anything. Make sure your iPhone is running iOS 16.4 or later by going to Settings. Then go to General and choose Software Update. If it is, you have just completed steps to register a developer account. Then just restart your iPhone. If it isn't, download and install the latest update to your device. Then wait for it to restart. Then go back to your Settings, General, and then Software Update. Next, tap on Beta Update. If you don't see the option, try switching off Download iOS Updates. And select iOS 26 Developer Beta in the list. Next, tap back at the top. Wait for the software update screen to check Apple servers. When the iOS 26 Developer Beta appears, tap Download and Install, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to get the iOS 26 developer beta on your iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.